Jai Hind children. In this module 1 today we will discuss about exponents and powers. So see this number everyone. Here this number 10 is called base of the number, and the number 5 just above the 10 is called exponent, and this number will be read as 10 raised to the power 5, and this the way of writing of the number is called the exponential form of number 1 lakh. 10 to the power 5 is called exponential form of the number 1 lakh. How 1 lakh will come? 10 to the power 5. 10 is the base, so we will multiply 10. 10 into 10 into 10 into 10 into 10. 5 times we will multiply 10 because its exponent is 5. And 10 into 10 into 10 into 10 into 10. 5 times 10 we are multiplying. This will also can be written as equal to 10 power 5. So both way it is true. In the same thing is here for 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So 3 will be the base, and how many times we are multiplying 3? That is, let me count, 1 2 3 4. 4 times, so its exponent will be 4. So 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 equal to 3 power 4. It is exponential form. T into T into T into T into T into T. So this T will be considered as base here, and since this T is multiplied by 6 times, so its exponent will be 6. So T power 6 is called the exponential form of this. Now we will learn how to express the number in exponential form, that is exponential notation. Let us take a number 625 to write in exponential notation. So first we will prime factorize this number 625. So we will use prime number as 5 because 625 is divisible by 5. Its unit place is 5. So divide 625 by 5. 125 will come. Again 125 is divisible by 5. So 25 will come. 25 is divisible by 5. 5 will come. And the number itself is divisible by itself. So 1 will come. So we can write here 625 equal to, how many times 5 is here? 1 2 3 4. So 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. So we can write 5 as base, and how many times number is multiplied? 4 times. 4 will be the exponent. So 5 power 4 is called as the exponential form of number 625. Let us take another sums, that is express 144 as product of powers of their prime factors. So for this again we are going to do prime factorization of number 144. So since unit place is 4, so this number will be divisible by 2. So we will divide 144 by 2, it will come 72. Again 72 is divisible by 2, 36 will come. 36 is divisible by 2, 18 will come. 18 is divisible by 2, 9 will come. Now 9 is not divisible by 2, it is divisible by 3. So 3 is 9, and 3 is divisible by 3, so 1 will come. So we can write here 144 as how many times 2? 1 2 3 4. So 4 times we will multiply 2. 1 2 3 4, and 2 times 3. 3 into 3. So now how to write in exponential form? The base will be 2, and 4 times 2 is here. So we will write exponent as 4. base is here 3, so we will write 3 as base and 2 times it is multiplied, so 2 is the exponent. So 2 power 4 into 3 power 2 is the exponential form of 144. Now children, we will learn two more concepts. That is, first one is any negative number multiply by odd number of time, always we will get the negative number, and any negative number multiply by even number of time, we will always get a positive number. It will be clear by the examples. Let us take example minus 1 power 3, that is 3 is odd number. So minus 1 power 3 means minus 1 will be multiplied by 3 times. Minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. So first we will multiply sign, then number. So minus into minus, plus, plus into minus, minus. So minus sign will be here, and 1 multiply by itself, 1 will come. So result will be minus 1. See the another example, minus 1 whole power 7, that is minus 1 into 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 minus 1. It will be 7 times. So minus into minus, plus, plus into minus, minus into minus, plus into minus, minus into minus, plus, plus into minus, minus. So sign will be minus, and since the number is 1, so 1 multiply by itself, result will be 1. So finally result will be minus 1. So we can see here that any negative number multiply by odd number of time, result is always negative number. So directly for minus 1 whole power 101, we can write minus 1, because 101 is the odd number. So sign will be minus, and here is number 1. So 1 multiply by odd number of time, it will give 1, or even number of time, it will always give 1. So result is minus 1. Now we can take for when the power is even number, when the exponent is even number. So minus 1 whole power 4 equal to minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1, 4 times. So again we can see multiplication of sign, minus into minus, plus into minus, minus into minus, plus. So sign will be plus, and number is here 1. So 1 is multiplied by itself, result will come 1. So final result is plus 1. We can see for minus 1 whole power 6. 6 is also even number. So minus 1 will be multiplied by 6 times. So we will get here positive sign, and the number is 1. So children, finally we can reach for this minus 1 whole power 112. No need to do like that. So directly we can write by understanding that 112 is even number, power, that is exponent is even number, so result will come positive. Here number is 1, so 1 will be multiplied by itself, it will come plus 1. So children, this is all about explanation of exponent and power, and on the basis of this explanation you will be able to do sums of this chapter, exponent and power. Thank you very much.